Hey everyone, I'm Vex King, and I've been fortunate enough to write a couple of books that have resonated with a lot of people. My first two books, Good Vibes, Good Life and Healing is the New High, were both huge hits, becoming #1 Sunday Times bestsellers. And this year I released another book called Closer to Love, which also became an instant Sunday Times bestseller. I'm still amazed at the incredible support these books have received. Good Vibes, Good Life has spent over 2 years on the bestseller list and has sold over 1 million copies, while being translated in over 39 languages. It's honestly a humbling experience to see how these books have touched so many lives with the most minimal marketing. But writing books isn't all I do. I've had the incredible opportunity to work with some amazing public figures and help them achieve their personal goals. For example, I worked with a Premiership footballer who was struggling with his performance, and in just a few weeks he transformed into a goal-scoring machine and even became Player of the Month. My journey has also led me to collaborate with NBA basketball players, American baseball players, Olympic gold medalists, music artists, and professionals from various fields. Connecting with such talented individuals worldwide has been a blessing, and I'm grateful for the chance to positively contribute to their journeys. In our session together, I'll be sharing valuable insights and lessons from my own publishing journey to help you along yours. I believe everyone has the potential to make a difference in the world, and I truly hope that after my session at the Writers' Workshop, you'll find success in sharing your light so we can illuminate the world together. I'll hopefully see you soon.